Good morning, dear students. Welcome back in your literature class. Let's start chapter 7, The Tale of Peter Rabbit. Dear students, this chapter is about Peter Rabbit, who was very naughty. There were 4 rabbits named Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail, and Peter. They all lived with their mother in a small hill made of sand below the root of a very big fir tree. One day, their mother, old Mrs. Rabbit, told them, I am going out for some work. You can go into the fields, but don't go Mr. McGregor's garden and don't do naughty. Then old Mrs. Rabbit took her basket, umbrella, and went to baker's shop. Flopsy, Mopsy, and Cottontail were obedient and good bunnies, went to collect the berries, but Peter was very naughty and went to Mr. McGregor's garden and squeezed under the gate. He started eating some lettuce, beans, some radish, and some parsley. Mr. McGregor soon spotted Peter near the cucumber frame and chased the terrified young rabbit all over the garden. He said to Peter, Stop, thief! Peter was scared and he had forgotten the way to the gate, and Peter lost both his shoes and his little blue jacket among the cabbages and potatoes. After losing them, he ran fast and he was thinking if he had not run into a gooseberry bird's net and got caught by the large buttons of his new blue jacket with brass buttons. Peter thought he would never be free again and shed tears. Mr. McGregor came up with a sieve means Shalini, and planned to use to catch Peter. Peter wriggled out, leaving his jacket behind him. He ran into a tool shed and tried to hide himself in a can. Mr. McGregor knew that Peter was in the tool shed. He began to turn flower pot carefully and looking under each. But when Peter sneezes, Mr. McGregor comes after him again. Peter jumps out the window to get away and spoiled 3 plants. The window was too small for Mr. McGregor and he was too tired of chasing after Peter. He went back to his work. Mr. McGregor went back to his work. Peter was scared and sat down to take rest. Don't know the way to go and looking all around. He found a door, but it was locked and there was no room for a fat rabbit. He was finding his way and becoming more puzzled. He came to a pond where Mr. Mac filled with water cans. He saw a white cat sat very calmly and staring at some goldfish. Peter, go away and don't want to talk to her. His cousins told him about cats. Peter went back towards tool shed and was very close to Mr. McGregor. Mr. McGregor was hoeing his onions. Peter was behind him. Peter ran fast as much as he can. Mr. McGregor saw him, but Peter did not care. Peter slipped safely below the gate in the woods outside the garden and he ran away. Dear students, this is the story of the chapter The Tale of Peter Rabbit. Your homework is to read the chapter carefully. Thank you. Have a great day.